Salam to all, this is FBA, Fadime Banu Akbez. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar, Turkish Lira, Euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin and Ether. Before that, two reminders. If you don't know what does any term I use means and want to join my WhatsApp channel for free about many appreciation presents, please check the end of this video. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish Lira as always. What happened last week? It increased as expected. It made high at 32.26 and we were expecting it to break 32.15 to try our 32.40 target. What to expect for this week? If it's below 31.88, it shall break 31.83 and then try 31.74 support. Here it may turn back towards 32.40 on its way to our new 35.72 target, or check the buyers at around 30.50 area. Is a short correction ahead. As for the euro against the dollar, what happened last week? It made high at 1.0964 and then came down. We highlighted 1.0965, which was needed to be broken. What may happen this week? If it stays below 1.0907, it may break 1.0870 and then try 1.0850. Here may spike up towards 1.0930 resistance. Its stochastic signals that it's quite cheap. Does this need to be considered? Time for gold. What happened last week? It increased, then came down as expected. It made high at 2,189 and made low at 2,151. We highlighted 2,195, which was needed to be broken, and it may decline towards 2,125. What to forecast this week? As long as it's below 2,156, it shall break 2,146 and then try 2,141 support. Here may turn it back towards making new historical high on its way to our 2,535 target. Otherwise, it may want to check the buyers at around 2,040 support. Will you fall for a short comeback before new historical highs? Now let's check out the Bitcoin. What happened last week? It increased and then came down as expected. It made high at 73,779 and we warned about it to come down around 72,650. What to expect this week? If it trades below 67,000, it may break 66,900 and 65,700 range and then try 63,696 and 63,597 area. Here may trigger further decline towards 60,300 support. Otherwise, it may want to revisit the sellers at around 73,779 historical high. May a correction change the people's interests or not? Finally, let's look at the Ether. What happened last week? It increased and then came down when it couldn't stay above 4,019 we mentioned. What may happen this week? If it stays below 3,600, it shall break 3,565 and 3,500 range. Then it may try 3,423 and 3,410 area. Here may trigger further decline towards 3,200 or turn it back towards 3,750 resistance. Will the correction be short or more than above mentioned? Thanks for watching. I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing and set the reminder for the upcoming. You can support me this way totally for free. Thanks in advance. Bye.